Hey, good morning, good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Pickett, Chief Commercial Officer with Flock Freight, here with the Q2 2026 U.S. truckload freight market outlook. We closed Q1 with regard to spot rates at plus 18% year over year. So this market recovery is right on track as expected coming into the year. Contract rates closed just south of forecast at plus 2.4%. Outlook going forward, expecting spot rates to climb towards plus 35 to 40% by the end of the year on a year over year basis. I expect contract rates to peak out somewhere around plus 10% year over year in the middle part of 2027. So truckload rates are going higher regardless of what happens with fuel, regardless of what happens with truckload demand, although more demand certainly would help drive this market higher. But so far, this has been a supply-driven rate recovery, and we expect that to continue. Implications for the balance of the year. Seasonality is going to feel a lot worse, maybe they have in the past if you're on the buy side. There have always been produce seasons. There will be another produce season. We believe the impact on the freight market will be much more acute this time around in a way we really haven't seen in the last few years. So expect more week to week variability in terms of market to market spot rates based on the evolution of produce season as that growing season evolves across the country. What this also means is expect routing guides to come under increasing duress. Primary tender acceptance is likely to erode as that freight comes back. Budget mitigation becomes more of a challenge. Opportunity to go out and rebid your truckload and drive rates down will not be there in this market like it has in the past. Great opportunity to consider shared truckload if those loads aren't full and you're not already using shared truckload. Opportunity on the supply side. Things haven't gotten much easier for those small carriers out there in the spot market on the back of diesel that's 60% higher in March and April versus January. Definitely feeling some pressure on the OpEx, on the op profit line. If those trucks aren't full, again, great opportunity to come to Flock and maximize the revenue yield of those fleets. So I expect to be a wild summer. We'll be back here to report out in Q3.